So we're here plotting out. Ano ba to? Fuck. Yung stencil. Yeah, for the stripes. Proceed. Hey, it's Maki from Custom Rabbit, and welcome to the Custom Rabbit Hole. Woo! So today we're gonna be working on the Bridgestone Radak of Tina. Fill in some spots here and back here. With probably just gonna go in with the airbrush, so it's gonna come out smooth right away. The fork is actually okay already. The fork's okay, and then after that, I'm gonna put on the stencils. I made the stencils. Voila! The stencil. You do not see it, but it is a stencil. But you do not see it yet. But it is a stencil. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna put on the stencils on this bad boy, and we're gonna start painting the stripes. You know, these stripes. Woo! Alright, so I got my airbrush loaded, got the fan going on, and we're gonna spray this baby. I'm gonna take this out of the way, just so it's safe, doesn't get hit. Come on, man, come on. Don't be a wiener. Woo! So I'm just gonna be using a ordinary face mask and not a respirator mask, because this thing's pretty weak, and I think I'll be okay. Hola! So it's done. The stencils are on there. I've attached them. Now we're ready to paint this sucker. Woo! I'm gonna first face it with the base color and then paint on the stripe color. Color. Fork's already stenciled up too. Let's paint this sucker. Woo! Okay, so that concludes today's work, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm so tired. Hello, you beautiful people. Today we're still working on the Bridgestone Radak, and we need to get this thing done by tomorrow. So I'm working on the stripes again, so now it's a second color of the stripe. There's 4 colors, and goddamn, man, goddamn, I'm having a tough time, seriously. Hope it works out. Let's go. Woo! What up? We got it done. The stripes are on. They're not perfect, but it's the best I can do right now, so far, and I'm learning, you know. So I hope the client likes it. I think it's cool, even if it's not perfect. But earlier tonight, I did like check up on the client. I sent this to her. I was actually proposing that we scrap the whole paint stripe thing, and I make a decal sticker and we stick it on there. But she says like, I like the paint better. I was like, oh, okay, sure, whatever floats your boat. Let's do it. I'm trying my best to like. I was talking to her earlier. I was trying to say it's not perfect. And she goes like, what can we do? I was like, oh, I mean, I'll try to fix it up. So I did. I tried to fix it up. I went in there, taped every single stripe individually, and tried to like paint its color. But every time I would try to do that, every time I try to like tape one side and tape the other side and then paint it and then take off the mask, and then that part that was just mask gets fucked up. So yeah. Bummer. This baby's done. I'm gonna let it cure for tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna Scotch Brite this motherfucker, and then we're off to clear coating this with a matte finish. That's it for today. What time is it? If I'm not mistaken, it's like around midnight. So I'm dead tired. Let's see what happens, you know? See what happens. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's go!